The reason you are still looking for a Scrum role is that you're stuck in the preparing loop. You've learned about Scrum, you read the books, watched the videos, and even earned a certification. You've spent hours searching for openings, tweaking your CV, and attending interviews. And yet, here you are, still waiting for your first opportunity to put it all into practice. Now, let me share a story. Young samurai once asked a Zen master, "How long will it take to achieve mastery?" 20 years, the master replied. The samurai, eager to speed things up, asked, "What if I study harder, learn every framework, and memorize every guide?" The master smiled and said, 20 years. Confused, the samurai asked, "Why?" The master explained, if you are too focused on preparing for the perfect opportunity, you will miss the opportunities right in front of you. The same thing is with many aspiring Scrum professionals. The more you obsess over preparing perfectly, studying every detail, chasing every certification, the further away mastery seems. So here is where many aspiring Scrum professionals get stuck. You are constantly searching job, hoping the right Scrum role will appear. You're finding your CV, trying to make it perfect, and you're attending interviews, but walking away feels like you are missing something. But here is the hard truth. The Scrum isn't something you learned and then start. It's something you practice and get better over time. Scrum isn't about knowing, it's about doing. Most of us were taught that learning is about consuming information, listening, reading, and watching. But the purpose of learning isn't to just know, it's to achieve mastery. So, what is mastery? Mastery is the ability to execute effortlessly without conscious effort. So, think about it. You can tie your shoes without looking because you mastered the process. You can have a conversation while walking without thinking about how to walk. Would it be amazing to apply Scrum principles with the same level of ease? To run daily Scrums, facilitate retrospectives, and manage sprints without second guessing yourself. If you've been waiting for the perfect opportunity to get started, here's what you can do instead. Create your own experience. Work on a personal project, even if it's hypothetical. Document process, how you planned, executed, and improved. This way, you will build initiative and practical knowledge. Focus on outcomes. When applying for roles, talk about what you are done rather than just what you've learned. Hiring managers value hands on experience over theoretical knowledge. I worked with someone who spent a year looking for their first Scrum role without success. He finally volunteered to help a local nonprofit to organize their workflow. They didn't ask for Scrum, but he implemented it as he thought it will benefit them the most. Within 3 months, he landed a full time Scrum Master job because he demonstrated he could apply what he knew. So, when you start applying Scrum principles, something incredible happens. With enough practice, it stops feeling like a framework you're trying to follow and become second nature. You stop doing Scrum and start being a Scrum professional. You are no longer the person waiting for a role, you're the person creating opportunities and delivering value. Your first Scrum opportunity won't find you, you have to create it. Every aspiring Scrum professional who stopped searching and starts practicing, they're the ones getting hired. So why not you? Now, if you are still not sure if the Scrum career is good fit for you, why don't you take a look at my Scrum Career Compass? It will help you find out in less than 7 days to find out if the Scrum is your next career opportunity. Until the next time, stay blessed by the best.